know when something bad happens, that feeling you get right in your stomach? Sometimes that happens on calls. Sometimes bad things happen to good people. We can't fix it. The job is to help as much as we can. Then I just try and remember somewhere down the line, eventually, those good people will be okay.
People are always asking me, how is it that firefighters run into a burning building when everyone else is running out? Your courage is the answer.